guys! If you love reading and you have a lot of books at your place but you don't have any bookshelf to keep those books safe and in a proper manner, so this video is for you. Today we are gonna show you how to make a bookshelf with a waste material. And guess what? Who's gonna teach us? Our very own, very talented Anaisha Bhati.
Hi everyone, so my name is Anaisha. I hope you're doing great, and I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bookshelf. If you have a lot of books at home, keep watching. I'm so excited for this video, and you know what guys? My birthday's coming and I got Harry Potter, the complete series, and I can't wait to read it all. Let's get started. So here are the things that we need. We need three carton boxes. We need one paper to decorate. We need scissors, any glue. I have tacky glue. We need scale and pencil for the measurement. First we will cut all the edges of the carton. I have a scissors. If you have like a cardboard cutter, you can cut with that, okay? It's hard to cut with scissors in cardboard. So as you can see that we cut the edges of the cartons, and so we take one of the edges of the cartons, only one. So now we will put some glue on here and on the sides, not on these, okay? And we'll do the same thing for all of the edges. So now we will put this on the top of the carton, so the carton can be strong. Be careful. So now we got the edges and glued the edges of them. And so this is how the bookshelf is gonna look like. Isn't it pretty easy? So we're gonna take this decorative paper and put it on top of here. So now we will take this decorated paper and put it all of the bookshelf. Now we'll put glue to stick these boxes. And now we're gonna put glue all over. See guys, isn't it looking pretty? You can pick any design because it doesn't have to look the same. See guys, my pretty bookshelf is ready, isn't it? Doesn't it look so cute? And this is my little lamp table, and you can keep any of your long books, like I have these 2 books, and you can keep any of your little stuff in here. And I keep all my books in here, and this is my reading chair that I'm just sitting on, and whenever I want to read, I can read me some bedtime stories.
Wow, it's looking lovely, Anaisha. Without wasting a penny, we can create a bookshelf for our own. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to 2 Traveling Pirates. Hurry up, guys, right now. Bye!
So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel, 2 Traveling Pirates, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Stay home, stay safe. Bye, guys.